Welcome back to this channel for practice problems for professional actuarial examinations. My name is Krzysztof Ostaszewski. You can find information about me at smarturl.it/Jedi. My advice on how to pass actuarial exams is at smarturl.it/pass. I support this method of studying for actuarial exams, which I call the BTDT method. That's why I call my study manuals for the first 4 exams BTDT manuals, and I run online seminars available at smarturl.it/BTDT-online. BTDT stands for Been There, Done That, and it's because when you're taking a professional actuarial exam in the United States, when you look at any problem on the test, you have to be able to say, been there, done that. It means you've done a problem like that, you know immediately what to do. There is no time for thinking on the test. Thinking is the last resort of the unprepared. You have to be so ready that you know immediately what to do. That's how you should prepare. I direct the actuarial program at Illinois State University. You can find information about it at smarturl.it/actuary. If you would like to make a tax-deductible donation to support our students, please go to smarturl.it/help-ISU-actuary. This is a problem from the last exam MLC, Society of Actuaries exam MLC. Problem number 16 in the multiple choice section. For a fully discrete whole life insurance of B on X years old, you are given that expenses incurred at the beginning of each year equal 30 in the first year and 5 in subsequent years. The net premium reserve at the end of year 10 is $22.90. Gross premiums are calculated using the equivalence principle. Interest rate is 4%. A double dot x is 14.8. A double dot x plus 10 is 11.4. Calculate the gross premium reserve at the end of year 10. Now you were given the net premium reserve, so the only portion that you're missing is the expense reserve. The sum of the net premium reserve and the expense reserve is the gross premium reserve. And one important observation is there is no mention of the net premium being non-level. So there is no full preliminary term or any modified premium for the net premium. The Zillmer method, or Zillmer, speaking in German, saying his name in German, August Zillmer, that method is not used here. Both the net premium and the gross premium appear to be level, and therefore the difference between them is the expense premium, the premium that pays for the expenses, and that premium is level as a difference of 2 level premiums. While the expenses are bigger at the beginning and then smaller, the expenses are exactly the opposite of what mortality is, which is first smaller then bigger. The fact that you have a level net premium and increasing mortality causes the situation that you have to have a net premium reserve for whole life insurance. Remember that when you have whole life insurance with level premium and constant force of mortality, reserve is 0 because mortality is the same at every age. So the reason why there is a benefit on net premium reserve is because the benefit premium and net premium is level, but mortality increases. Expenses go the other way around, and expenses are first bigger then smaller, and because of that, expense reserve is negative. So the gross premium reserve at the end of year 10 is likely, or certain if you look at the range of possible answers, smaller than the net premium reserve. Every single answer that you see here is actually smaller than the net premium reserve. Since we have the net premium reserve at policy duration 10, we only need to find the expense reserve at that time and add it to the net premium reserve. Let's write E for the expense portion of the gross premium, so that the gross premium is equal to E plus net premium. Both gross and net premium are level. E is level as well. And it's paid as a life annuity, paid as long as the person pays the premiums or as long as the person lives. So its actuarial present value at policy inception is E A double dot X. But A double dot X is given as 14.8, so this is 14.8E. And it pays for the expenses, and the expenses are 30 in the first year and 5 in the renewal years. So we can view this as an extra expense of 25 in the first year and 5 in every year of the policy, and the actuarial present value at policy inception of that is 25 plus 5 A double dot X. And again, we know that A double dot X is 14.8, so we plug it in, and 25 plus 5 times 14.8 is 99, so that E is equal to 99 divided by 14.8, which is approximately 6.6892, or what you see there, a longer fraction with more digits, or longer decimal with more digits, but it's 99 divided by 14.8, or 980 divided by 148. The expense reserve at policy duration 10 is the actuarial present value of future expenses minus the actuarial present value of the future expense premiums. So it's 5 A double dot X plus 10 minus E A double dot X plus 10. So this is simply 5 minus 99 over 14.8 times 11.4, because A double dot X plus 10 is given as 11.4 in the problem. And this comes out to be negative 19.256757676 approximately. So the gross premium reserve equals the sum of 2290, the net premium reserve, plus this negative number, and that's approximately 2270.7432432. It's closest to answer E. Please remember, this is copyrighted material. The problem itself comes from Society of Actuaries. It belongs to a Society of Actuaries. The solution is mine. All rights are reserved. Good luck in your studies and good luck on the test.